Hello, guys. So this one is going to be short and sweet because we hear you guys in the comments. We hear you saying I talk too much. I see it. But let's get right to it, guys. So a lot of you guys and myself have expressed having the trouble of your box braids shrinking up and not being elongated, and we have a way to fix that problem, okay? The two main ingredients are, number one, the technique that we use, and also this thick braid gel that we're using here. So to give you a quick preview, the technique involves running the braid gel throughout the hair strands as you braid it and having it dry, okay? Having it dry in its elongated state. Okay, so as you guys see here, Sherrese with the masterful hands is rubbing the gel right through the hair strands, and then she proceeds to box braid it. Also, another tip, box braids stay elongated more than twists. So you might like the appearance of twists more, but just consider that twists do have the tendency to shrink up more than box braids do. So if your goal is length, box braids is the one. And box braids last longer too. And I mean, the science behind that is obvious. 3 is better than 2, right? So our goal here is to put the gel through with the hair and to have it stay in the braids in an elongated state. Let's get into the science of it. Gel itself is a holding product, okay? So the thicker the gel, the more tendency it has to hold your hair. That's why thick braiding gels are used to keep your hair flat and down, and that's why the girls use the thicker gels to do their edges. Although remember that humidity will reverse this process, so don't forget to wear your shower caps. Okay, so as you see here, you see me pulling on these strands like my life depends on it, okay? Because I'm trying to get as much length as I can. Actually, our hair shrinks, right? Shrinkage is a normal thing, and it shows that your hair is healthy. So what we're gonna do here is blow dry it in its elongated state. Remember that the state that it dries in is a state that it's gonna stay in, as so far as it doesn't come into contact with any water or humidity. Drum roll, please. As you guys see here, there's an unknown product, unknown hair oil that we are applying to the scalp. If only you guys knew how this felt. This ain't your regular schmegular oil, I'll tell you that much. For those of you guys that do know, this will be releasing soon. We've been working on a bunch of products for you guys that all aid in hair growth and hair care. And hey, listen guys. We're not gonna be having that much to start. If you don't wanna miss out, to avoid disappointment, go onto the website, input your email, and be the first ones to know when this product is available. Because I don't want you messaging me, DMing me, talking about, oh, can you get me one? Listen, man, if you missed the opportunity, you missed the opportunity. All right, guys, so check out 𝗕𝗥𝗢𝗢𝗔𝗡𝗏.com, ISSA. You know what? I'm just going to put it right there. And I just want to say a big thanks to all of you guys, our subscribers who've been with us for years now. Been checking in from our earliest videos. Honestly, guys, this wouldn't be possible without you. The fact that we're actually able to create a hair care brand right now, guys, is all thanks to you guys, and we're very grateful for the continued support. It doesn't go unnoticed. Just want to say God bless you guys, and there will be giveaways, so keep your eyes out for that. And while you're here, guys, comment down below, what do you think of my new hair color? All right, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. God bless.